Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Metaquest Oculus. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metaquest Oculus application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the continue with Facebook and Instagram options, as well as the continue with email address. Just choose whichever option is relevant to you. And you might be asked to enter your email address that is associated with your account. Just enter your email address and then tap on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your account password. After you type in your account password and continue forward, you will be asked to check your inbox for a verification code if this is the first time that you are logging into this device. So just check in with your inbox and you will find the verification code that you can use to log in. After entering this code and proceeding forward, you will be logged into your existing account on a Metaquest Oculus right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Oculus Quest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.